In this video, we'll explore the features and programming options of our Wi-Fi enabled 10 amp timer. This timer has two outputs, one positive and one sync. The function can be triggered by either digital or analog trigger input. With its built-in Wi-Fi and 48 plus functions, it's the top choice for tackling various automation challenges. With NextGen firmware, we've introduced several exciting new features. Let's dive into the comparison between the old and NextGen configuration menus. Now the timer duration is simplified and has 100 seconds precision. Both digital and analog triggers come with threshold and initial ignore duration parameters. Trigger inputs can now be combined with trigger logical functions to handle complex triggering requirements. To use new NextGen functionality, simply update the timer UI to the latest version and upload new function files. Each function file includes a set of functions. For example, the first file contains functions 1 to 25, the second file contains function 26 through 36, and so on. By dividing functions into smaller files, we can continue to add new functionality without hitting the memory size limitation of the device. Once you identified the required function, go to the Select Function menu and initialize the appropriate functions file. Then, head to the Configuration menu to set the parameters. Reverting to the original configuration is easy, just reload the older UI and update the firmware. Follow the instructions on the firmware update page. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on maximizing the use of your Wi-Fi enabled 10 amp timer.